Hi, I'm Lindsay Moore, and I'm an aspiring cook living on Lake Bowen in Spartanburg, South Carolina. My blog, Just a Little Organic, JLO for short, chronicles my life as I share my passion for food, healthy living, and nature with friends and family. Now, thanks to Ingles, I'm going to cook with you. I'll take you through step by step and show you how to bring some of my favorites to your kitchen table. Today we're starting out at Ingles, getting the ingredients to make my on-the-go chocolatey pick-me-up smoothie. Here's what we need. 2 cups of unsweetened almond milk, 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder or raw cacao, half a small avocado or 1/4 a cup, a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, 4 to 6 medjool dates, 4 to 6 coffee or regular ice cubes, a teaspoon of cinnamon, a very small pinch of fine sea salt, and an optional half a teaspoon of espresso powder. Remember, this is all on the website at ingles-markets.com, so you can print out a list and take it with you or pull it up on your phone when you're at the store. Now let's get cooking. Hey guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today we're going to make my chocolatey pick-me-up smoothie. It is a dairy-free, refined sugar-free, and gluten-free treat. I like to call it my Tuesday pick-me-up smoothie because, you know, Tuesday afternoon you're kind of getting in a lull. Well, this always wakes me up and gives me a nice boost of energy to finish out my day. So we have all our ingredients right here. Our almond milk, our cocoa powder, our cinnamon, our vanilla, our espresso, our avocado, our dates, and our coffee ice cubes. These are so easy to make, and it seems like we always have leftover coffee in the coffee pot. So what I do is every time we have a little bit left over, I just pour some in the ice cube tray and pop it in the freezer, and then I have these nice coffee ice cubes to make my delicious chocolatey pick-me-up smoothie. And a little note on dates, they are sweet and delicious, but they can get hard, and if they do, all you have to do is soak them in water for a little bit and they'll soften right back up. And if you have an aversion for some reason to avocado, you can substitute this avocado for frozen banana in the recipe, or you could add a tablespoon of almond butter, anything you want. These are really to taste smoothies. But so let's get going. First thing I'm going to do is put 2 cups of this unsweetened almond milk into my blender. And this is a smaller handheld blender, but you can use any high-speed blender for this. And I love almond milk. It's got a nutty flavor, and it actually is fortified with calcium, so a lot of times it has more calcium than regular cow's milk, and it's less fattening, a little bit less calories, so I like it. All right. Next, I'm going to add unsweetened cocoa, about 2 tablespoons. And you can also use raw cacao. It really just depends on what's available in your local store. They're both delicious and they both have antioxidants, so that's my excuse. And I'm going to add a teaspoon of cinnamon. Half a teaspoon of espresso powder. This is optional. It just gives it a nice mocha flavor. And then I'm going to add about a teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. Two to 6 dates. It really just depends on how sweet you want it, and we're feeling sweet today, so we're going to use 4. If you want to use 6, go for it. Next, we're going to add our avocado. And I'm going to use about half an avocado. You can use about 1/4 of a cup, but that usually equals half of an avocado. And we're just going to scoop it out with a spoon. You don't want to cut it too early or it'll turn brown. But this will give it a nice healthy dose of brain boosting fats, not just bad fats. It's good for you. And it also gives it a nice creamy texture. We're going to add a tiny pinch of sea salt and 4 to 6 coffee ice cubes. I'm going to add 6. Okay, now that we have all our ingredients in the cup, we're just going to move it over here, and it's ready to blend. And screw the top on. Okay, now that we've got our smoothie all blended, I'm just going to pour it into a cup so that I can enjoy this delicious, creamy, chocolatey mocha smoothie. Delicious. I can taste the cinnamon and a little bit of mocha, the chocolate. Can't taste the avocado, but it gives it a nice creamy, velvety texture, and it is just delicious. Perfect for pick-me-up on any day of the week or for breakfast any time of day. We're out of time for today, but I want to thank you so much for joining me here at the Ingles table. Remember, you can find this recipe, videos, photos, and more on the website at ingles-markets.com. Till next time, I'll see you online.